Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to another edition of Awesome Calls live webinar recap. I'm AJ. It is 12:04 on the West Coast. If you do see me stop, it's because I'm making a trade or two. If I see a movement on a stock, I like to capitalize on it if it moves 20, 30, 50 cents or more. Um, but for the most part, I want to go over what we accomplished today on our pre-market list. As you know, I get up every morning pretty damn early, and I research hundreds and hundreds of ideas. Look at all the gap up. Look at what the field of market is doing, how much it's gapping up. Across the board, all of our go-to stocks were all gapping up as well this morning, so we had a lot of range today to play. If the stock market held, the market and the stocks, if the market held and continued to go higher, then the stocks were just going to have a small pullback and just a nice range play to the upside, and some of them are going to break out today. So obviously, these stocks have taken a huge beating over the last 2 months. Hey, Shop is moving. I think I might take that stock real quick. Shop and Apple's moving higher today. So that would mean that if Apple's moving higher today, Shop would probably pull into higher today as well. So I'm going to take a chance on that and see if Shop pushes. If it doesn't, I'll kill it. Let's see if it gets through that. I'm watching Apple here. Let's see if I can get a buyer up here. That's not moving. I'll kill it. So 20 bucks. Yeah, it didn't break out. I'll be quick on it. Let's see if it does it again if it goes up there. Because Apple's pushing high today. Yeah. Yep. I'll take a look at it a little bit. Anyway, the market was gapping up about 800 points this morning. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to give everyone a nice selection. Obviously, I loved our go-to stocks. Our go-to stocks in Awesome Calls Trading are TDD, Boeing, Apple, Netflix, Tesla, Shop, and NVIDIA. I could go on with Facebook, Nates, and a few others, but these seem to be stocks I really enjoy playing with large range, 15, 20 points. This was 35 points. Netflix was 8, Apple was 10, TDD was 11. And these are great. When they pull back, you could short the open, pull them back, and when they bottom curl, you could just long them for the day as long as the market holds. And right now, the Dow is up 1,275 points, which is really cool. Shop had 22 points on the upside. NVIDIA had 10 on the upside, and definitely NVIDIA is definitely one you want to play to the long side. I played this one today several times, and I was a winner on each time. Then I saw Wayfair, which is now a $50 stock, gapping up about 10 points this morning, 21 points. And I had this on my radio to pop at the open to 75. So I went long on this one. I told everyone in pre-market, I would do a small short, and it came down to 65. But once it curled right around to that 70 area, look for a quick push to 75, and I was right on target. And I nailed it. It went all the way up to $76 a share. So hold on a second. Let me see if I get Shop to push. I see Apple keeps trying to push up there. I just feel like Shop is going to make its move. Could be totally wrong, but I just think it's going to move. Let me put it on screen here. Just trying to get through here. Let me see if it does. Let's see. It's a retail buyer. 3,000 shares. If it breaks through to go to 386.50. No, it came down a little bit. Back up again, even. Let's see. I'm just watching Apple just take out new highs. Dow's up 1,200. Trying to keep busy here. Nope, no good. I'll cut it. Okay. It's not working. It's not ready to break out. But NVIDIA is. Yeah, NVIDIA looks like it wants that. Yeah, Boeing. Let's take a look at Boeing here. Boeing needs 147, but NVIDIA can break. Hold on, let me put the video up here. Yeah, I can get the video take out high today. See if it ramps. Yeah, there it goes. We'll take the video right there. So into that pop right there. Yeah. See if I get a little bit more on the video on that pop. Yeah. Yeah, right there. I think I can get a little bit more. Let's see, there it goes, 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 there it goes. Sell it. Got it. Got that. That was nice. Let me try again. Apple's high of the day. Shop won't move. Shop is just stranded. The video looks like it's got another push. I'm watching Boeing right now. Okay, here comes NVIDIA pulling back down. Think shop is getting ready to make its move. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. There goes shop. Got it. How many? $40. Excellent. So whatever you saw me lose earlier on those other two trades, because I cut them quick, just paid me right back. I got the money all back because I could see shop getting ready. I'll show you shop here. I have it on my screen when I trade it, and so what I'm looking for is this push right here. And this push right there, you see it? That is a dollar push. I think it's got a little bit more in it. I don't want to push my luck on it. Anyway, I nailed it on the way up. I sold it right here. Let's see if I can find another trade. How many shares am I playing with? 100 to 200. Yeah. So what I do is when I call it out that I'm going to play this and I see it popping, I'll go 100 and you hear me clue, and then you hear me clue. That's 200 shares. And then all of a sudden it goes and I'm out. Like with Boeing, I like to go 100, dip 100, push, and then out all 200. If you do 300, you get sometimes it pulls 80 cents to a dollar, and that kind of shake you out. I don't like doing that. That doesn't make me a happy camper. I get really upset at that. Anyway, okay, let's go back to work. So what did we do today? Also, Wayfair was up, like I was saying. Square, I picked this one. I saw Win Up, and there was probably 3 dozen other stocks that had $4 or $5 gaps. But I just like Square today to get through the 50 mark. I felt today we could see 48.50 or more to 49, and then pull back, bottom curl, and then long again towards 50. And today it hit 50.69, so it was a good call. I really had it. And then we had a couple. Every day we get coronavirus plays. Today we played Emu, and this Emu didn't have coronavirus, but it had news. They got a new CEO, and on top of that, they came out of a phase 3. They're no longer pursuing it or something like that. I was reading, but they had positive information on breast cancer results, which is very, very important for so many. UK all smokers have been urged to quit smoking, and cigarette companies have been told to stop selling tobacco in the UK during the coronavirus pandemic. Wow. Wow. So they're banning, not quite the word banning, but urged. That just came in on the alert news from Adam News. So let me repeat it. UK, all smokers have been urged to quit smoking, and cigarette companies have been told to stop selling. That's pretty big. So, um, so what comes to mind? I think it's PM, MO. There's a few other smoking stocks. And the other one was Ver. Ver did a collaboration with Alney on the coronavirus, and to me that was a big so what. I had that selling off to $32 today. So anyway, these plays were all written down about an hour before the market. I had them all written down, and then I came in the market about 10 minutes to 6 in the morning, 30, 40 minutes. And I basically writ all these up while everybody was watching me. And I started from number one all the way down. And so there's 12 ideas. Today, the chat room gave me a grade. I'm graded every day on my production. And today they gave me a 97% rating of success. So let me just kind of go over what I did and how we did in the chat room. And we'll go from there. So let's see here. Let's just start at well, shop. We had a pull back to around 370 or under, bottom curl, and go long to 385. And you can see the stock is 386.80, and it's going to go up. I think I might just take that because I'm watching a video push. I think I can make another dollar on a push on shop. Yeah, I want to keep an eye on it. If I see getting ready, I want to take it because you can sell right into the pop and the stick. You can get a nice 50 cents a dollar. Next one was Boeing. We wanted Boeing to go to, I think Boeing, we wanted, today we saw Boeing at 137 or more, and it's currently at 147, so even more. Um, Wayfair was a pop that opened to 75, and then a sell off to 70, or to 65, and then another quick push to 70 to 75, and I played this one perfection. Let me take shop here long. I think it's going to pop. Here it goes. Let me see if I can get it. And I like this flag right here. Enough buyers here. There it goes. There it goes. I'm up. I'm up. Sell into the stick. Sell into the stick. There it goes. There it goes. Sell into the stick. Got it. $42. And there it goes. See it? Even more. That's a trade right there. That is a pure trade right there. And then right there. So if you go long right here, when I went long at 66, I got filled at 68, and you sell it all the way up to this 38.87.19. Sell it right there at 15. You sell into it. Just moving along. Just moving along. Okay. All right. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Um, and let's see. Then we did. Okay. Now Ver and IMMU. Now IMMU, I wanted to short at 25 this morning pre-market, and this was all a pre-market move, and it was way too high. And I think the great Gianni called it out too. I called it the minute I walked in the room, started doing the notes. Short at 25, stops at 26. And I felt the stock would come down to 14 if it broke 18. So I definitely felt comfortable at 18, but I wanted, if 18 broke, I would get the rest of 14. But you can clearly see they held this stock up all day. Market makers held it. They would not let it collapse, which means to tell me they're going to do, oh, excuse me. So this one, I felt very strongly this would sell off to, they're going to probably do an offering of probably about 8 to 10 million at probably $14 to $15 offering. They kept it up all day. Market makers just stopped it right there. They wouldn't let it break the 18, which means they're going to do an ATM offering. Next one was Ver. This was up from 30 to 42. I wanted this one to come back to $32 a share per my notes. Number two pick in the room came down to 32. And then I played it long. CNBC was talking and it just ripped. So I took it. You know? Wayfair was a perfect play today. I told everyone if it hits 70 at the open, go long to 75. This was a beautiful rip city. I played this, made $375 on it. I got over 3.75 points on this particular trade. Wayfair. Let me double check. Oh, I'm sorry, $322.54 I made on that trade. It was a beautiful trade. So I got 3.25 points, following my own uh, my own stuff that you say. All right. And then the next one, TDD was a winner today. This is a great company, great stock. On Friday, it went down all the way to 155. This was a total buying area right here, and then this just ripped all the way to 190 today. We had this going down about 168, 165 on a pullback, 166, I think we called it out, and then a ramp up to 180, and it ended up going 190. Wonderful trade if you took it long. Um, Zoom, I wanted to sell off today to about $105 a share. So I told everyone short the pre-market and the open. I'd like to get 105 bottom curl and then long it to 122. And the stock actually hit 108 and went to 122. This, for me, was extremely difficult to trade. I know it looks so simple, but I'll tell you, I have to be transparent. Um, I ended up taking a loss on that particular trade in the amount of $394. This one just it was it's kind of one of those things that you could do everything right that will go wrong. You're right, but you're wrong. But what made it difficult for me today, and I'm not trying to be a sourpuss because I got to own when I make a mistake. But today it was all about my platform, and I went to go fill right here. I missed this move there, so granted I missed it, and it should have been long here at 110. There's no excuse, but I went to long at market order right here at around 111, just under 112. I was market order. And what my platform decided to do was hold my order on a market order. Then they filled me up here, all right, up here. So they filled me at about 115, 28, 27. When I went, all of a sudden it started to pull. And of course, I didn't want to smash to 110 because that's obviously what I'm thinking. So I got out and I went to sell, and they didn't fill my order till it hit here. So this 112 from 115, it was about a $280 loss. Then I had to take, I was yelling. I was very upset. This angers me. This doesn't just go, oh, this angers me because I'm not like that. So then it ripped again. I went to long it. It held it. I went to long about right here on this candle here at 116, 117 for a quick $1 pop. It did not fill until it hit 118.74 and it yanked and it went to 117. So this brought me up down 300. And then a couple more times I tried it again and it was a very unfriendly trade today for me. I'm going to say 70% was my platform and 30% was just me being angry. And I'm not supposed to veg trade, so that really upset me. Another great trade we did today was Square. I wanted long here, and I played this in the chat room. Won 1,000 shares. Bam, $172 for 17 cents. And it actually, if I had let it just be, I think, what's interesting, I'll tell you what's interesting, is Square pretty much did what I wanted Zoom to do, pull and then pop back up. And again, you can look at this chart and go, look how simple that is. Why didn't you just hold it? Or why didn't you do this? Or why didn't you do that? Listen, if you're long in a stock and you get a point and a half, you want to get out. But you don't get if you're down here trying to get your fill and they fill you up here and then sell you down here, there's nothing you can do. This is just simply, you have a choice. Don't trade it so you don't bitch and make and complain, or fight your way through it. And I'm a fighter. I don't just give up and say to myself, I give up. I just can't. You don't do that. But look how thick Square was. Look how thick that was. I mean, look at this. These candles were like 100,000 shares. 100,000 shares. So Square's moving up. Hold on. Let me see if I can scalp Square here. Let's see here. Maybe I could put in like 500 shares long. 63, 62, 60. If I can break out high of the day to 80, okay, I'm going to long a few real quick. All right, so I'm long a few. Let me see if I can pop it because I just saw NVIDIA pop. Okay, so I'm going to long a few square and see if I can pop. Okay, there goes square. I'm high of the day now. Okay, I'm up. Okay, so I took, I'll sell right into that pop. Okay, so I made $30 on 500 shares just now. Okay, so I'll take it. I mean, I'm not gonna cry about it. Just take it. I should go 1,000 shares here. Okay, hold on. Let me do it again. Let me take another 500. Hold on. Let's try it again. Let's see if I can get through a little bit more. I gotta wait. I gotta wait. I gotta wait. Go for it. Right there. There you go. See if I can pop that right there. No, it's not popping. It's not popping. It's okay. I actually got filled 300 shares. So I lost $22. It's not a big deal. Yeah. Okay. Let me see what else I want to do. Zoom is moving. Hmm. Okay, Zoom is moving. Let me try this one. Now let me just try it, okay? Let me see if I can see. As soon as I buy it, the spreads open up. Bam. I'm down $20, $30, just like that. That's it. I broke even. Actually, I lost $6. You cannot win on these pops. Just you can't. You have to be in it before the pop. See how it's gearing up again for a push? Look, if I long it right there, watch. I'm long. You see it popping? It's up 30 cents, but I'm only up $3. Now I'm up 15, but only up 11, 15. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. I'm only up $14. $20, 19. I'm gonna sell it. $15. Even though the pop is 65 cents, they prevent you. Look at 89-cent pop. I was long right here. Look at that. Should have stayed in it. But no matter how great this pop is, they open the spread. So when you sell it, you only make half the amount. Look at that. Just by looking at the chart. Damn. Wish I could have stayed. Hold on. They probably pull back here. Yeah. Wayfarer's popping. Every time somebody says that, I go look at it and it doesn't move. It's like up 6 cents. See how Zoom is pushing? Go right there, right into it. Ah, got it. Okay, so I think what you have to do, see that Zoom? Look at that. And squares popping. Yeah, there goes Zoom. The square's gonna pop more. Look at Zoom take off. Square wants more. Square's trying. I got $35 on Square. I took 900 shares. Yeah. Okay, here comes Zoom again. I'm trading live, traders. I'm sorry. If it's there, I got to take the trade. I can't just stare and watch money being leave me. I have to take the trade. I cannot just stare and watch money. Okay, I'm Zoom again. I went long. Okay, I'm out of Square now. I can go NVIDIA for a quick move. I don't know what Mo means. Okay. Okay, there goes Square. Yeah. NVIDIA's pushing. Okay, there goes Square for more. Here's the pullback on Zoom. Okay. So anyway, all right. So I did quite a few trades in front of you. Ooh, Apple's running. Apple's gonna run. Yeah, Zoom wants more too. What's Wayfair doing? Nothing. A waste. Let me look at MO. I'm not gonna short that. It's already low as it is. Let me go to NVIDIA. Uh, okay, let me go to Boeing. Okay, nothing's going there. Tesla's not even moving. Can't even get it back through 510. Okay, all right. Whew. All right, so I traded some Zoom, some Square, some Boeing in front of you, maybe a little bit of NVIDIA, I think. Um, but anyway, we had a good day today. Lots of action, lots of range. It was wonderful to trade today. Great group of people, a lot of new people, new faces. We got a total of, I have the tally. We had 51 new subscribers in the month of March, and so far this month, the last 6 days, we have, I think it's 11 new subscribers to the chat room. I'm going to do another trade here. I see Zoom getting ready to make another move. So what I'm going to do is show you on screen before I log out of it. You see this flag here? I'm going to wait for a curl at 123, and then I'm going to buy it for a 25-cent move. And let's just hope I'm right? Okay. There goes NVIDIA. Square going to push too. NVIDIA pushing. There goes NVIDIA for quick bucks. Here comes Zoom. There's the quick money there. Zoom. There's the 24. Okay, there's 28. It's trying to push some more. Get what you can. Don't marry the stock. There goes Zoom, NVIDIA pushing. Get as much as you can on the move. There goes Zoom. Live trading. Scalp it. Don't be afraid of it. Don't be afraid of it. Okay, you hear that? That's my platform. They won't fill it. I'm going to order it, cancel it, but they won't cancel it. See that? They just filled it. You see how long it took? Right? So what they did is they try to force you to lose on the trade. Oh, man. Square. Look at that. Gone. Son of a gun. Yeah. Wow. Square just pushed. NVIDIA pushed. Made 220 on Boeing, 148 on NVIDIA. Okay. All right. I'm done with the webinar, traders. Thank you so much. I'm sorry. I'm going to continue trading with the chat room. Look forward to trading with you tomorrow. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.